GCExcel is a feature-rich Excel document API based on VSTO. The library is fast, efficient, and lightweight. GCExcel for Java includes all the features that are supported in the .NET version. This video walks through how to add a basic chart to your worksheet using GCExcel Java. First, initialize a workbook. Add a worksheet. Add a chart with the chart type column clustered. This code adds a chart type shape where you specify the chart type and the location column. Set the data as a series in the chart. Set the properties on the range of data. Set the number format on the chart axis. Save the workbook. Let's see what it looks like. Here's the Excel file that displays our range of data and an applied corresponding chart. For more tutorials, blogs, and code samples, visit grapecity.com.